Hi everyone, my name is Annick Lévesque and today I'm in my store located in Montreal. I would like to show you my new style Scarlett. As per all my collection, all my bags, they have a light system. So to make it work, you just have to open the zipper till the very end to turn on the light. It's battery operated and it lasts for about 1 year without changing the battery. Each bag, they have a small pocket inside and you can just get the battery holder inside to change the battery as well. It's 2-watt battery. You can easily buy them everywhere. So this bag have been created to replace a wallet. You have 18 slots to organize yourself. And you have also another pocket here that you can fit a glass case. And also here you have another place to fit cash. And also you can fit business cards or other things and keys. At the back, you have also another room just to fit a phone. And this bag could be wear as an everyday bag. So what I like about this style is because it's multifunctional. So once you're going to a business meeting or if you go for a dinner and you just want to dress up without taking off all your stuff from your bag, you can just add this big bow on top of the flap, because the flap have inside they have a snap inside, so you can just snap on the bow on both sides and you can wear it just wait a minute, you can wear it with the strap like you saw before, or you can remove this and reverse it to create an handle. So you just close that and you snap like this and you can wear it more chic way. So my model, she's wearing size medium, so it gives you an idea for the proportion on her body. Actually, we're offering this style in black only. And you have the choice between gold or silver for the hardware. So if you have more questions regarding that style, you can always feel free to get in touch with us, and it's going to be a pleasure for us to reply you as fast as possible. Thank you.